You asked for a durable device, and we delivered. Your EMS crews don't get to perform life-saving procedures in a controlled environment. That's why we put each device through extensive testing before it heads out our door to ensure it can withstand the rigors of EMS. Screen testing ensures the touchscreen can withstand impacts without creating disruption in care. Drop testing ensures Zenix can withstand falls, since direct impacts are inevitable. Environmental testing ensures the device and touchscreen continue to perform flawlessly, even in challenging conditions. The Zoll Zenix Monitor Defibrillator, built to endure. Inspired by you.